Hi there, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today we are going to dive deep in the world of editing. You got some inspiration to edit your videos and you decide to choose Filmora as a video editor, but when you download the Filmora and try to launch the Filmora, you face this error, and at that moment all your excitement becomes down. But don't worry, I am here not to let you down, and through this video I am going to provide you the solution of this error. But before we start this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and be part of our MK army. Now without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, download this folder. Don't worry, you will get the link in the description box. Now simply copy the file from here. Right click on Filmora and click on open file location. Here double click on the folder and paste the file you copy here. Boom, it's done. Your problem has been fixed. But wait, let's try to launch the Filmora and confirm it that the error has been fixed. And here you can see the Filmora open without any error. So if you are excited to learn more about videos, photo editing, software and gaming's errors related videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon as well. That way you won't miss any update on these topics or other exciting content as well. Have a wonderful day and I can't wait to see you in the next video. So until next time, don't be hesitate to try new things.